So you want to see our work? That makes sense. We have a ton of websites that you can browse as much as you would like on every device type you would like, and they're gonna look great and work just as they should. We have a lot of analytic data that we can share with you down below, and if there's anything else you'd like to see or anything like that, just let us know. At the end of the day, we can recreate just about anything you see on the internet and make it yours. So your color, your branding, your images, your videos, all of that kind of stuff on your website. But just please understand, if you're wanting something really, really crazy, it's probably gonna cost a little bit of money. And in my experience, I have found that keeping things relatively simple on your website is what gets the results. For number one, your page speed typically loads faster if you don't have a whole lot of technical animations, this, that, the other thing going on, and it's just easier for people to consume. You need to consider that people of all skill levels, if you will be on your website, and some people are just simply not very good with navigating the internet. So the simpler we can make it and just make it very crisp, clean, clear, this is the desired action we want you to take. This is what we do. If you are looking for this product or service, we just want to make that obvious. This is a no-brainer. They're going to contact you. That's our job. So if you like our work, we'd love to do work for you. And please understand, as you're looking at some of the sites and stuff, you don't know what the budget was. A lot of these sites that we've built previously were on very low budgets as we were a young agency getting started, but we have really proven ourselves and our prices have risen to match, and it is now allowing us to make sure that we are getting absolutely everything done as far as the way the look and feel of the website and as far as the SEO side of our service goes, because we always build websites with SEO in mind, and a lot of other agencies do not do that. So if you like our work, we'd love to work for you. Contact me when you're ready.